Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, we are with the new CVO from Harley Davidson. This one right here is a 23 CVO Street Glide, and today's video applies to really all the 23 and up CVO street and road glides. This is an amazing machine, but it can be better. Let me show you how. When I say a beautiful machine, I mean a beautiful machine. Harley Davidson outdid themselves with this 2324 CVO, and this is the Street Glide. The Road Glide is amazing as well. This is dark platinum, and it glistens and glimmers metallic in the sunlight. The Whiskey Neat is orange, silver, black, upgraded paint job. I like the dark platinum myself. The 121 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 with the VVT, variable valve timing, that's new for this model year. We also have this huge TFT touchscreen. Look how big this is, like 13 inches across. That is pretty amazing. Inverted front forks, Brembo branded brakes, all new suspension, all new almost everything on this bike, but a few things could be improved on. So let me show you what I've done to my bike. The biggest bug and pet peeve of them all, and that is the new TFT infotainment system, Apple CarPlay. Oh my goodness, so many bugs with it. I had software update after software update. Finally, they got a lot of those bugs. The hard starting of the engine with the battery draining, the infotainment related to that, I don't know. Software took care of most of those issues, but one of the biggest gripes is the infotainment, the CarPlay dropping out, the audio dropping out, it says it's playing music, not playing music. Mostly software is taking care of that, but goodness gracious, Apple making you use headphones to listen to your CarPlay through your Rockford Fosgate speakers. I'm not kidding. If you want to have CarPlay going with your Spotify and your Waze and all that, you gotta have headphones, Bluetooth connected to the bike. That's just ridiculous. Well, Tim Stereo came up with a way to fix that, and I got that today. We're going to install it. I'm gonna show you how to install it, and we're gonna see if it works. I wanna use CarPlay. Nope, won't let me. So let's go to the device manager. I click on my iPhone, which I've already previously paired, start Apple CarPlay. Connect headset to use Apple CarPlay. I want to listen to my speakers. I don't want to listen to headset. So what I usually do is I've got a Bluetooth headset down inside this little tray here. I love this little tray. I've also got this little 100-watt three-way plug, USB-C, USB-A, and micro USB, Lightning also, I'm sorry. So what I do is I turn that on, and the Bluetooth headset will eventually pair, okay? Very much a pain in the butt, but there is a better way to do it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it today. How we're gonna bypass the headset requirement, not actually have one tucked away and then the battery dies and you lose your CarPlay. I have got this from Tim Stereo, not affiliated with Tim from RidgeLife. I talked to Tim, he sent me one of these little dongle things, and I am excited to try it out. And he has this QR code in here too, if you want to get one. Check this out. QR code, just click on that and you can get your own. So what this is just a little patch dongle. We're gonna put it under the seat. You're gonna plug it in, zip tie it in place, and it's gonna mimic a Bluetooth headset connected to the bike. I'm gonna plug it in under the seat, leave it there all the time. I power the bike up, automatically can listen to my speakers and use CarPlay at the same time. At least that's in theory. Let's try it out. First thing I wanna do is take the nut out behind the passenger seat, get that out. Once I get the nut out, I can slide the passenger seat off, set that down. Now right behind the main rider's seat, there's two more nuts. Take both of those out. Take both of those out, and then your seat will just slide up and out of the way. Once you have the seat off, you're going to identify this plug right here, remove the stopper off the end, stick it out of the way. Take your TIM stereo system adapter, plug it in, connector side up till you hear a click and it engages. Now I don't want this little electronic piece flopping around, so I'm going to take a zip tie and I'm going to zip tie the end of it to this wiring harness right here. Get that nice and tight right there so it doesn't fall, flop around. I think that's going to be good right there. And then of course just get a pair of dikes or a zip tie, a knife, cut off that little connector right there. Once you get that off, you should be ready to test it. We've got the seat reinstalled and the system booted up. Now it's time to pair our TIM stereo system Apple CarPlay Bypass adapter. Woo, that's a mouthful. So I got to pull the menu up and it says car headset Apple, you need headset to play Apple CarPlay. We're going to fix that. So what I do is go to Device Manager and I'm going to do, I've got to pair a new device. So add new device. We see it pulls up TIM stereo. Let's see, it's pairing the device. Boom, we have paired and we are successful. All right, so now let's go back out to menu and let's see if I can do Apple CarPlay now. I may have to connect some other stuff. All right, so let me connect my phone. Let's see, Device Manager, and let's see, TIM stereo, we are connected. Change role, let's see what we need to be. We need to be the rider. Definitely need to be the rider Bluetooth. Okay, now I'll go to my iPhone, start Apple CarPlay. Is it going to do it? Is it going to start Apple CarPlay? Boom! We have got Apple CarPlay going, and looky there. I've got Spotify. I can listen to music. Cadillac 3 ready to play. Power it back on, and let's see if it automatically reconnects to the headset. But before, I had to open this up, I had to turn on the Bluetooth for the headset. Maybe the batteries were still good on it, who knows. TIM stereo system is powered off the bike. It's under the seat, Bluetooth connected, never needs batteries. You're always good to go. So I've got a couple errors right there I've got to take care of. iPhone connected, do you want to start Apple CarPlay? Yes! Boom, looky there. It automatically comes up with Apple CarPlay. Well, it's trying to, it's a slow system. It said, do you want to? So that, it's the Bluetooth headset is connected, and there's supposed to be a CarPlay. That's why there's bugs here. Boom, there it is. CVO bugs, there you go. But it automatically connected the headset, automatically allowed me to start CarPlay because my phone was connected. Super, super easy. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video of me showing you my 23 CVO Street Glide and what I've done to overcome some of those pesky new model year bugs. If you liked today's video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It's 100% free. I'll have all kinds of new videos coming out here on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, and a lot of them are on the 23 CVO Street Glide. I've also got a Ducati XD Oval Cruiser too. Woo, that's a fun machine. So guys, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out. Again, subscribing is 100% free. So until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife. Oh, wait a second. One more thing in the box besides the QR code to get one of your TIM stereo system adapters yourself. He has a fortune cookie. What's Tim doing with a fortune cookie in my box? Let's open this up and see what my fortune says. My fortune says you're going to cut your finger with your knife whenever you're doing that. Ouch. So my fortune says, put that in there. Fortune says, let's see if I can read this. Okay. You will be poor and very unhappy for the next 5 years until you get used to it. Uh-oh. I guess they know I may be retiring and going YouTube full time. It's going to take 5 years. Thank you very much, Tim. Goodness gracious.